Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your spendings on the Spendee app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Spendee app, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen you should see your total wealth, and below that a short statistic, a short graph which shows you your spendings and your money flow in the last few months. Now if you want to see your spending overview, you just have to tap on this icon below the graph, and when you tap on it, it's going to generate your spending charts, which is going to show you all your spendings, your monthly cash flow, and you can see on the bottom of the screen your spendings in categories. Now I've just started using this app, so I have only one: expenditure, bills and fees. But if you have when you start using it and you have obviously different spendings, this chart is going to show you all the different categories like bills, like food, or technology, or subscriptions, or anything else. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.